guys, welcome to BRFam, the cook-up. Today we're going to make pico de gallo. I'm going to make it a little different. A lot of people just use regular onion, tomato, and jalapeno with lemon juice. I'm going to add some cucumber to it. So let's get started. So you're going to, I was going to say gut out, but you're going to take out the inside of the jalapeno. The jalapeno, the seeds are what is the most spiciest. If you like spice, you can leave the seeds in, but I don't like that much spiciness. Okay, then you're gonna grab the jalapeno, you're gonna cut it in cubes. Make sure you cut it in cubes and watch your fingers. And make sure they're small cubes because you don't want to have that big bite of jalapeno when you get into the pico de gallo. And then you push that to the side. Make sure that you take the cubes apart because they kind of stick together. And yeah, like I said before, I'm not professional. I'm just a mom who knows how to cook, who just cut her finger. Maybe
you cut yourself?
Yes, I did cut my finger. But make sure after, if you do cut your finger, wash your tomato that you were using or get a whole new one. And sanitize your hands and put a Band-Aid on just because you don't want to contaminate your food. So let's just cut this tomato. So make sure they're in little pieces. But always bend your fingers in so you don't cut your fingers. I get lazy and I don't bend my fingers in, so that's how I cut my finger. But that's what you want to do, is bend your fingers in so you don't cut your finger off like I did practically. Then you move your tomato to the side and you're going to get your green onions. So then you get your rag. Make sure your green onions are good. Bending your fingers and just start chopping. It happens, guys. We cut our fingers as moms who cook and who are busy, or dads as well that cook for their families and they're busy and they want to rush everything. They don't be careful and they'll cut their fingers. But it's all part of cooking. It's all part of life. So let's not judge people. So you're going to get your cucumber. You're going to slice it in half. I'm only going to make a little bit of this because we don't need a whole bunch of it. Then you're going to slice your cucumber, pepino, whatever you want to call it, like this. Then you just chop it up. My knife is sharper this time than my old videos. If you haven't watched my other videos, guys, you guys need to go watch our taco video.
It was our first of the year.
And then everything is cut up in little pieces, little areas. You see this? You see how pretty? Then you're gonna cut. Make sure you. This is off. Your limb. You're gonna cut it. And you're gonna get your bowl, whatever bowl you like.
Salsa bowl, if you're fancy with it. Regular bowl.
And you're gonna add
plate. Oh, sorry.
You're gonna add your jalapenos in there. You're gonna add your cebolla, your onion, your tomato. Look at me.
Oh, it smells super fresh.
Cooking like a Mexican, even though I'm not Mexican. You're gonna add this all together in a bowl. It smells fresh, huh? Looks fresh too. Then you're gonna get your fine china, because I only use the finest of the china, the plastic spoons. You're gonna mix it together. You see? Then, how beautiful that looks. You're gonna get your lemon. You're gonna squeeze it on there. And to make sure you don't get seeds in there, you squeeze it upside down, like this. But make sure your hands are clean, guys.
Drop seeds.
Oh, did I? Oh.
The first squeeze.
Okay, well, take that seed out. Smart pants.
Or just get a lemon squeezer.
Yeah, make it easier with the lemon squeezer. I don't use lemon squeezer, Joey. I'm professional Mexican. Just kidding, I'm not even Mexican. I'm gonna stir it. See? I personally, myself, I use garlic salt. Not sponsored by them, but we should be. I use it a lot. I use garlic salt for flavoring. If I put garlic salt.
That brand garlic salt, right?
Yeah, that brand only. I don't like I do not like other brands. I'm sorry, guys, but this one has like the parsley in it, and it's really grinded fine. So smells super good.
But it doesn't have like a garlicky
flavor. But if you want to chop up some fresh garlic, you can just buy your fresh garlic and chop it up and put it in there. I don't like it, but this one
for seasoning,
super good for seasoning. Then I add some black pepper. You can go be ghetto like me and buy it at the Dollar Tree. It's pepper's pepper.
Move your spoon.
Oh, sorry, Lord. And then you're gonna go like this. And there's your Pico de Gallo. Look at how flavorful it looks. I don't know, you guys can't smell it, but I can.
You can smell it through the screen.
Yeah, smell it, guys. Okay. But look it's so good. If you want to add more tomato to make it more red, if you want to add more jalapenos, you want to add more cucumber. I add cucumber.
So everyone's liking.
An original Pico de Gallo has only like white onion, tomato, and jalapeno. Joey doesn't like onion. I don't like onion.
I like green onion.
I like green onion, so that's why I put the green onion. I like the pepino, the cucumber, so I just add it to there. You can add anything you like. As long as it looks like this, you put lemon in it, then you're good.
It has a nice fresh taste and smell. And with that said, make sure you guys smash that like button.
You don't have to smash my Pico de Gallo.
And make sure you guys comment in the comment section. And with that said, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.